yes, I would beg. Me know you want a man for rough it up, so bring it to the shot. Not tell about no love, but I will give it to you proper.
You know how much can I get breathe to that song, yeah? Because just because Alkaline change up the flow in that song, yeah, people. I'm sorry for the people, them girl child.
What's up, you? What's up, you? What's up, you? What's up, you? What's good, you? Some boy, some boy, Harry Vlogs, aka the reaction boss. I want back in effect people with another. You know what that go. What's good, YouTube? It's a boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. I want back in effect with another video for you guys. Yes, I wanna feel. Third video of the day. Only me alone that do it, so. You understand, man? Say, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. And that's on the road to 50k subscribers, so please smack that subscribe button in the face. And the way you can help me reach that goal, if you're already subscribed, just like the video. Everything I post, if I don't post a video representing Jamaica, I'm posting I represent Guyana. Just come on it, watch if you're mates. You understand me? Like it. You know what I mean? If you don't want to watch it, but trust me, it's gonna leak. Everything I post lit. So just watch everything I post. Like the video. Helps get the channel recommends to more people. You understand me? Because a lot of people don't know some there. I know some there in the building right now with song called what that? Incognito. Featuring man like Alkaline, Stalk, Ashley. People remember say me love Stalk Ashley, you know. That's why I know the song, you know. Me see the song, you know. I say no, say me a Stalk Ashley a long time. Me a Stalk Ashley for she sound like Jada Kingdom with a good body, but me not just sound like her. They have a different style, but they don't know each other. Yeah, people talk. So I was so go out for that song of people, you don't know? You know what I mean? You see? When you see that now, I'm telling you, no. Me don't do it that way, yeah. I think I see nobody's from YouTube, but I like that song yet. We don't feel like I did, I think. No, I'm not talking about that different. Like the video, subscribe. Let's go! I don't know what to expect, you know. Should I come sing? I legit don't know what to expect, you know what I mean? Me just as curious as Uno. Me not still sing it, honestly. I don't still sing it, me know how I'll go on. You understand? Me don't know if it's fake, me don't know if it's a real song, but it's on Ashley official YouTube, so yes, like how. Keep it between. Keep what? Hold on, I want to go on there, so something read, hold on, pause. Okay. Oh, read people. We're reading. Okay. And everything. That we do. Okay. So basically, I tell you to keep it a secret, basically. You understand? Don't tell nobody. Alright? Let go. Okay. Oh, keep a secret between me and you, basically. So Ashley and Alkaline, basically, they must say they keep it a secret. So they're not going to tell we. They understand the listeners. People, if you don't want to listen to the song without me pausing it, you don't know if you find link down below in the description, give them a listen. But me see what I go on now, earn it. What? What? Alkaline? Different floor? Singing? Come we separate together, me and you, yeah. Buck! Yo! Okay? That song I feel a hit different. You know, some most famous like that song, so I say hi to the beautiful ladies on the channel right now. Hi. You understand me? What's up? What's up, girl? My energy is kind of different if you don't know. If you don't know, I'm sorry. But yeah.
I really want nobody for love. Me like you, like me, so make we leave.
Well, in the past, so I kind of say, yo, you want to for this up here. The yeah, cause say you don't need nobody for your love. You like him and him like you, so make we leave. Oh, so you got disappear with him, but you don't want nobody for love. Me don't know what you talk about, you know, Ashley, man, you know. Man, they give me bad with Alkaline, you know. I doubt my tell you too, you know. Oh.
See me from me walking. Look a bit always off of my birthday brown skin.
Yeah.
Bling, bling, bomb.
Don't know, like them, you know. Pop smoke. All of my bitches. Light skin. But anyway, no, that different. Okay. But no, but let's see her for you walking, of course. But think me never see you when I perform with a guitar and your thing and you go. But how she go? Squeeze me this. Me not sing that to the why. Go on.
Got my wrist, caution, you ma call me Iris.
Yeah.
You ain't never met a girl like this. You feel come closer.
I meet a girl like you for real, but I like to meet you in person to make you know what time it is. over here. So they may say intense body in the dance. What do you say? Big up yourself. I'm just going to check out it. But, you see me? But I like for meet you in person, Ashley. I'll make you know what I go on my head because go on.
I'm dying to know, are you at this party alone? Would I love forget your body alone?
Oh, wow. She want if you come at the party by yourself. She want to have you alone. She want to get it to herself. Basically. So man them, sometimes it's good for go party by yourself, you know. You see me say, as I say in Jamaica, you can't carry fish, go see. Go on!
You are smart, me can't answer this, what you like. Me like you like me, so make you let us and go incognito.
Oh, bamboo clean dog. We don't put the proper in the incognito mode. Oh, me never get that. Oh, me never get that, dog. Oh, me never get that. Me see Tyrekevlogs because I wish I was seen before. Oh, me never get that. Tyrik, sub to my channel. Dressy King, big up yourself. But oh, me never get that. Chano.
Your girlfriend won't do it like me. I'm so discreet, you can never find me. Baby, I just really wanna get.
You see all uno woman. I can't convince a man to go game woman born with you. His girlfriend will never find out. You, woman, uno, go on.
Baby, man, I really wanna body for love. But like you like me, so baby,
no, why do you sing that? But up that. I joke, I make a song, music. But one thing about the song, people, honestly, I like the song for you. I like it. You see me, I say, more when the data boss jumping backstage, that way they start wait for him. I want to go on. I want to go on. Run tune.
Tango incognito.
Alright then.
Nobody nothing know.
Nobody nothing know, say me and him apart. Nobody nothing know, say you a give it up. Nobody nothing know, say come for me yard. Baby, take off your dress. You know what I'm going to hear a song there? But go on. Before you start, your blood clot. I want some more music video. Me don't talk. Ready now, me see what you say now. You send what? Big up yourself. Run back a little bit. How are you going so bad for Mr. Vendetta boss? Just want to hear and see what you have to say. Me I read and move fast. Because you know why you just put a bucket video, you put them text and I'm like, God, me can't read so fast. Me blind. Go on. The man say, you know, he might meet you, know, but I can't meet him place. That's out of the picture. You know why? You know, for the part the man, we shall who knows part Alkaline live. But you make sure you say, you know, if you know, man, you know, shot in the same place out of the place. Place out of the picture, place out of the place. In place out of the picture. Is it them know you shot him live or I'm woman there? You understand? Alright, go on.
Yeah, me want spot my crowd of people who could have pull up in the lot, chop it up there, sign I be clear anyway. Me
Oh! Talk to her! Sure how you deal with it. Sure say you're gallus. Me don't know say you say pretty girl team. You see me I say, all they want is some company, make them know. Yeah, go on.
get up for myself. When I put you on the love, my worry about nobody else.
Yeah.
Girl, I'm mesmerized, looking at your sexual eyes. I tell
Oh, clot. Different tapas, I give you something different else on your people. Stalk Ash, you really bring out a different side of the side of the vendetta boss. Want me to be to them, I can't talk. But I really bring out a different side of the vendetta boss. Talk Ashley, people go check her out, go subscribe to our channel. You see me? Make sure you know the reaction boss, send no about this one. Run tune.
myself to strip you. I'll yes, I would beg. Me know you want the man for rough it up, so bring it to the shot. Not tell about no love, but I will give it to you proper.
You know how much girl I get breathe to that song, yeah? Because just because Alkaline change up the flow in that song, yeah, people. I'm sorry for the people, them girl child. Alkaline. They own it. See there, I'm telling them meet the calendar, meet the year. See, I'm telling them in the background there. Go on.
Up in a all night, all night, all night. Up in a get you in a trouble, come on, mash up fine. After that.
Look at the dog, slow stroke. Up in there all night and all night and all night and all night and all night. Oh, fuck. That's no like see man, look a bomb buck. Watch it. Koyoto. Boom, bye, bye. Run tune.
Uncle twist, can't resist. Come here, girl, and make my damn jet the dress they have again. I'm a drunk, can't
What are the bad making up the jazz yawa?
Madame jet the dress they have again. When me drunk, can't wanna.
The jazz there again. Hey boy, you're not You're not Go on.
All night. Look, man, I feel so conscious, light up like the car light. Wine bunny.
Light up like the car light. You know when them girls see, you know when they go looking at dog. Play that picture of phone. You see if you not girls or not get no pums or this deformity in a life, dog. You see when they meet a girl, like, you know what I mean? First night. See you go Las Vegas. Yeah, gamble. You see what one girl by herself, like when you go there by yourself. Take her back to your room and you got fear room in the hotel, right? There. You know you make out, you foreplay, you get ready for deal with it. Yeah, you get ready for mash up. So you kiss and you rub on body and thing and take time a strip. You know, you take off your shirt first and take off your pants and that one and then she still go take off your underpants now, brother. She still wanna go on rock solid bad boy. Our face gonna light up like the car light basically. You understand my show, you know? Alright. 101 will tie. Run tune.
Girl, your property, me refuge, jumping up me, I go in there.
Dog said, get a property and me refuge up, me not me buckler. People, me tell them say the dog though. The dog change up him flow up our way. Alkaline change up the flow up our way. See, tell me that people. Watch your style though. Watch your style dog. No, of course. You tell me you say that? No, I'm not gonna see to your work it out. Go on.
Nobody nothing no say, girl, you want give me that
Baby,
thing.
I just really wanna give you enough. Baby, man, I really want a body for love.
Say that. Repeat that first.
Be I don't you for come true. Find me, cause if she wanna fight me, she can never find me.
Hey.
So when me stand here, they come and do the damage.
When you send the Addy come and do the damage. One more class. Song bad. Song wicked. You go put no cell. Let me get a screenshot. Cause that time with thumbnails for my video. So I'm dead. It's been a boy Tyrekevlogs people. Peace.